up, I'm going to show you how to play Trollz on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on 4, and you'll need 2 chords, A minor and this F. A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And F will be open, open, or I guess X, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. Strumming pattern. So that's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment and let me know what other songs you want to learn on guitar, and I'll see you in the next video.